In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Paperform form into a Clickfunnels page. If you want to display your Paperform directly inside a Clickfunnels page, the process is actually very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it carefully so you can get everything placed correctly and avoid common mistakes along the way. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Paperform dashboard. Once you're inside your account, locate the form you want to place on your Clickfunnels page and open it. Make sure you're working with the correct form before moving on, especially if you manage multiple forms for different pages or campaigns. With the form open, look for the Share option. Click that and then choose Embed. This area gives you the code needed to display the form on another website. You'll want to use the generated inline embed code since that is the version designed to place the form directly inside the page rather than linking out to it separately. Copy the full embed code exactly as it appears. It's important not to leave out any part of the code because even a small missing section can prevent the form from loading properly. Next, open your ClickFunnels page editor in a new tab. Keeping Paperform open in a separate tab can make the process easier since you may want to quickly switch back and confirm that you copied the correct code. Inside the ClickFunnels editor, navigate to the section of the page where you want the form to appear. Think about placement from the visitor's perspective so the form feels natural within the page layout. Now add a custom JS HTML element to that section. This element allows you to insert external embed code directly into the page. Once the element is added, open its settings and paste in the Paperform inline embed code you copied earlier. After pasting it, take a quick moment to review the code and make sure it was inserted cleanly without extra spaces or missing characters caused by copying and pasting. When everything looks good, save the page. Saving is essential so the embed is applied to the live page version. After that, it's a good idea to preview the page and confirm that the form appears correctly and loads as expected. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you used the inline embed code and that it was pasted into the custom JS HTML element rather than a standard text area. That's it. Once saved, your Paperform should now be embedded directly on your ClickFunnels page.